Are we ready? So, thank you all for coming. Lots of interesting ideas. Thank you for allowing us to practice some English language. And here we are presenting our tool for organizing startup events. We call it Startup Vibe. So, first of all, when we arrived here, we saw lots of people, highly technologically advanced people who are not using technology in order to communicate to each other and communicate their skill to the ideas and their requirements. So we decided to give a solution, a technological solution for technological advanced people. So let's talk a little bit about the different people who attend here and what kind of benefits they will get. So first of all, general participants. Each and every, all of us, we want our skills to go to the projects that need our skills. So we are gonna have a list of the projects and the things that they need. And second thing, we are going to provide a little list, a little addition in the CV with all the data that we are gathering. Next thing, we will have mentors allowed to mentor our projects with online abilities. And here you can see this wonderful team that get us here, and they helped us a lot with our ideas, and we are sorry for them working so much, and we want to help them. So they're using lots of different tools, like 15 tools to organize this event, and we want to create a useful, efficient interface which connects them all, which can gather lots of different data, statistics, graphs, and so on, and some examples. So you will get data like this generate in each and every startup event. So here's some data, not really accurate data from this event. Some more data, artists, a little bit back. How many artists we have, software developers, what kind of software developers, what kind of business developers, and what kind of artists and their skills. So this kind of data will be generated just like that. So next time we will be more efficient. And here's our prototype, we call it Startup Bit. The name says different things, but it's just a bit of the byte. So here you have a list of participants of our event. You have the skills that they have. You'll also be able to see what kind of project they are attending. Here we can go to the ideas. Let's go to ideas. And you have a list of all the ideas of number of the participants that are participating in the idea, also coordinator, and a little bit more information about all the projects. So information, what kind of requirements for the projects, for the skills, also list of the participants. We are also going to integrate this all with some YouTube videos about the project, also with some slideshows and abilities to comment the project and give questions, and also to give some comments and advices to the project managers. And here you can add some skills that you believe that you have, and everyone will be informed in the startup event about them. So that's basically it. Any questions? Please.
So you're going to contribute this system to Lithuanian startup weekend, or if you're going to sell it, how much do you think you will ask from event organizers?
So I believe that we'll test this for first, let's say 5 to 10, maybe 15 events to gather some feedback, and after that we're gonna count how much time and how much human resources and how much finances we are going to save. And there's lots of similar events going on, I believe hundreds and thousands each year. So, well, we'll make some calculations after that. Any more questions?
I'd like to ask how the users will communicate among each other. Then they know that there is some PHP developer and an artist. How do they connect?
So basically, if I'm a user, I register to this event, I go through a list and I see all the projects going on. I go to request an approval to the project, and then I can get message, let's say, with different kind of social media, the Twitter account integration, Facebook account integration, also mailing, but it's everything just to connect to the people that are actually looking for that person. So, well, it depends, and if we have a larger project with 200, 300 people, 500 people participating, it can be more online. But we are going to integrate with various communication tools.
Maybe a suggestion, what if you just put it online and run it all the time? And people matching ideas and startups every day. That could be a different way to develop this as well.
Thank you. Yes, we were thinking about it. I believe at this moment this is not the case. First of all, we want just to make one prototype or one event, and after that we'll discuss how we can actually implement it into asynchronous event organizing.